Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into something really special, TallyPrime Release 7.0. We're going to talk about how this completely changes the game for how you handle your banking. Seriously, it's all about moving banking from this separate, annoying task into something that just works right inside your accounting software.
Okay, let's get right into it with something I'm pretty sure drives everyone crazy. I call it the Alt-Tab problem. You know the drill, right? You're in Tally, you need to check a payment, so you Alt-Tab to your browser, log into the bank, wait for that OTP on your phone, find the transaction, and then Alt-Tab back. It's slow, it's clunky, and let's be honest, it's where mistakes happen.
So TallyPrime Release 7.0 is here to fix that with the All Banking Options suite. This is the solution. The whole idea is to bring the bank right inside your books. You can finally say goodbye to all that application juggling and hello to getting more done. Trust me, this is a real game changer.
So how do we make this happen? Well, we've broken it down into 4 key parts. First, creating a super secure connection. Second, making sure you can log in on demand with bank-level security. Third, getting your live bank balance instantly. And finally, the big one, automating your bank reconciliation.
Okay, first things first. We have to build a solid, secure foundation for all of this. Let's see exactly how this crucial first step works.
The setup is designed to be incredibly simple. It's just a one-time handshake. You just go to Exchange, pick all banking options, and then Bank Connections. From there, you choose your bank, and Tally sends you over to your bank's official, secure website to authorize everything. It's all very smooth and straightforward.
And this part is absolutely critical for peace of mind. TallyPrime never ever stores your banking passwords or credentials. It uses what's called a secure token system. Once you give permission on your bank's website, the bank gives Tally a secure digital key that pairs your Tally license to your account. It's like creating a secure tunnel that only you control.
So the connection is all set up. Let's move on to the second pillar, how you use it day to day. This is where we see how TallyPrime perfectly balances making things easy with keeping everything incredibly secure.
Now, this brings us to a question that I'm sure is on your mind. If Tally is now permanently paired with my bank account, does that mean anybody who opens my Tally company can just see my live bank balance?
And the answer to that is a very clear, very definitive no, not a chance. That secure connection we just set up stays dormant and locked down until you decide to wake it up for a session.
Before you can pull any live data from your bank, you have to prove it's you. You'll go to All Banking Options, hit Login, and then you'll need your TallyNet ID and a one-time password that gets sent right to your phone. It's that two-step verification that ensures only you and no one else can get access.
Once you're in, your secure session stays active for 6 hours, which is super convenient for a normal workday. It means you can check balances or get statements multiple times without having to log in over and over. But for extra security, you can manually log out at any time to cut that connection instantly. It's the perfect blend of easy access and tight control.
All right, now that we're securely logged in, let's talk about our third pillar, which is one of the coolest and most immediate benefits you're going to see, getting real-time financial visibility.
Just look at this screen. This is where the magic happens. Imagine you're about to write a big check. With just one click, Tally fetches your live bank balance and shows it right next to your balance as per your books. And that difference? That's your uncleared checks. Right there. Instantly you know if you have the funds. This is how you prevent bounced payments and really manage your cash flow with confidence.
And finally, we've arrived at the pillar that for many people is going to be the biggest lifesaver. We're talking about taking bank reconciliation from a task that takes hours down to just minutes. Seriously, just take a second and think about it. How many hours do you or your team actually spend every single month manually taking off entries from a bank statement against your books? It's tedious, it's boring, and it's a huge time sink.
Well, with Release 7.0, that whole process basically disappears. You just go to Get Statement, pick the dates you want, and Tally securely downloads the official statement directly from your bank and gets to work.
But here's what's so incredible. Tally doesn't just download the statement, it actually reads it. The smart reconciliation engine goes through, intelligently matching bank entries to your vouchers. And for anything new, like bank charges, it'll flag it and let you create a new voucher with a single click. Just think about what that means. The hours your team saves can now be spent on things that actually matter, like analyzing cash flow. You're moving from data entry to data strategy.
And this quote really just sums it all up, doesn't it? It's a fundamental shift in how you work.
You stop doing all the manual labor, chasing down bank data, and instead, you let the bank connection work for you, giving you the info you need right when you need it. So let's just recap what it means to become a connected accountant. You connect your bank securely just one time, you log in on demand whenever you need to, you get a live balance for total visibility, and you get your statements automatically for effortless accuracy. It's that simple.
So the question really is, are you ready to upgrade to TallyPrime 7.0 and transform your banking from a tedious chore into something that is completely seamless, secure, and automated? It's really time to stop the toggle and step into the future of how accounting gets done.